Okay, so here are 3 Carrier, 2 air conditioners, and a heat pump at a neighbor's house. Here's just Carrier Comfort. Cool fan blades. It's got a coping scroll. It's on the 27th week of 2020, 2-ton. It's not been running. This is Carrier Tech 2000. It's a 2.5 ton, I think, from the 39th week of 1997. And it's got the clumsy reciprocating. See that? That's pretty cool. You know, it does not work very well. It doesn't really get that cold, but it's okay. It's the fan motor. Logo. These 2 are air conditioners. This one's a heat pump. This one does not really run. I take this hat off real quick. It's 2-ton from the 21st week of 2001. It's also not been running. Here's the compressor. And there's the reversing valve for that one. Logo. It is a Carrier Tech 2000 silencer system. So yeah. Oh, let me grab my hat. If you know Mountain Valley, if you live in the Newmarket area or something like that, you'll know it. But yeah, alright, 3 Carrier units at a house in my neighborhood. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.